So you have your iPhone and at the back you have an external hard drive connected, and you need to change the file system of that hard drive, or you just need to format the hard drive because you would like to erase everything that is on it. Yes, when you change the file system, everything is gonna disappear from that drive, so just be careful. Or you maybe have an issue when you try to film with the camera app and you have selected Apple ProRes and you have this hard drive connected, so the file should be stored onto that hard drive, but you get that error message that is an incorrect file system. So now I'm going to show you how easy it is to change the file system and to format this connected hard drive directly from your iPhone. So what we need to do that is to go into the Files app of the smartphone, and here we can see that we have this PS2005 that is that connected hard drive, and to format this one and to change the file system of this drive we just tap and hold, and then we get the erase option. We tap erase and now we can see that we can change to exFAT instead. We take erase, erase, and now the file system of this hard drive is exFAT. And to check what kind of file system you actually have on this hard drive that you have connected already, you just tap and hold and you get info, and here we can see that it says that it's exFAT on this drive. The next thing we can do that is to see each other in that video over here, because that is the video that YouTube recommended to watch next. And the video at the bottom here, well, that is the video where I show you how to transfer data from an old iPhone to a new one the correct way, because there is one way that is just causing issues. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye.